Hello and welcome back to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and today we have yet another Citizen ready to be unboxed, but I assure you that this Citizen is not quite the usual type of Citizen. So this retail box here is pretty big and pretty heavy. We're gonna flip open the top cover here and see what we've got inside. So we've also got a piano style box, if I'm not wrong, with a glass cover over here. Let me just flip open this one here and reveal the watch in unboxing video today. Ta-da! Just take a look at this beauty, alright? So this one here is astonishing, okay? I've been looking at this one for a long time, and you know, I finally mustered enough courage to purchase this one for myself. I think this is one of the greatest in terms of technological advancements and all that. So we are looking at the Citizen Chronomaster, and this one is the Washi paper dial version. Reference number for this watch is AQ4020-54Y. So the Chronomaster AQ4020 is called the Washi dial because the dial here you're looking at is actually made of washi paper. Okay, I'm not too sure what it exactly is, but I learned that it is some sort of a Japanese craft paper. You're actually looking at a dial made of paper here, and the logo is not printed on the dial itself, but it's printed on the underside of the flat sapphire crystal. So I would think this is, you know, quite interesting. So plenty of other technological marvels here. Over here we've got a full titanium construction here with Duratec coating, so it's some sort of anti-scratch or anti-nicks kind of coating. We've also got this movement here, which is accurate to 5 seconds per year. Alright, so I think I was just blown away by the overall specs and the design and the build quality of this watch. I thought I had to get one for myself, and I'm truly amazed at the watch I'm handling right now. So this being a brand new watch, let me just slowly peel off all these protective layers as well as move the packaging to one side. So with all the packaging out of the way, but with all the protective layers still in place, we're going to look at the zoom in view of the Citizen AQ4020. Let me just bring in the watch closer to the lens here, and you can take a look at this washi paper dial, okay? And like I mentioned, this watch here is perpetual calendar and it's accurate to 5 seconds per year. 5 seconds per year, all right? Could well be the most accurate watch I will ever own, all right? Fantastic build quality all around, and I think this one here is going to be one of the highlights of this year's purchases. So in case you want to know where this one was purchased from, I did buy this watch from our boutique. Of course, Mr. Eric, he gave me a really good pricing on this one. If you're interested, please give him a call and he will definitely entertain you on that. So I'm liking the overall simplicity and classic lines on this one. Just take a look at the beveling at the case side, and I love this brush finishing here. The protective film is still on, so you're seeing something that looks like scratches, but I assure you these are not scratches. They're just the lines shown on the protective film. And I do like the fact that this one here has got crown guards, because on one side it looks like, you know, the classic type of dressy style kind of watch, and on the other side it looks like a sports dressy kind of watch. And I think you're getting the best of both worlds in this one because it also has 100 meters water resistance. And zooming out for a quick wrist shot of this watch here at 37.5 millimeters, this one here is just at the sweet spot for a dressy style of watch. I'm loving this bracelet, which tapers down to around 17 millimeters. I think it goes from 19 to 17 at the clasp area, and later on I'm going to size it up and have a good look at the overall fit. But on hand here, it looks like it fits really well for my 17 cm wrist. And this one being a full titanium build, it comes in at around 87 grams total, I think, which is amazing. This is so comfortable, you don't really feel the watch, and I believe it's going to be even lighter after the resizing of the bracelet. Just fantastic watch. So I'm going to spend some time with this watch and report back with a full detailed review on this one. So stay tuned for the next video. This is Andy in Singapore. See you soon.